Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you pair Bluetooth earbud. Guys, you want to pair this earbud, so guys you can pair in your Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how to pair it in Vivo Y75 5G phone guys. So I first of all guys open your phone setting. After on setting guys, you can see this your Bluetooth and device setting. So guys click here. Guys click on Bluetooth and guys on your Bluetooth. Guys take any earbuds guys, you can take one and two guys. Guys click on pair new device. So we want to pair it, so guys click here. So as you can see guys, this built on TWS guys. So we will click on this name and guys you can see it's pairing. So guys, after 5 and 6 seconds guys, it will pair in your Vivo phone. Then guys you can use your earbuds in your phone, and guys you can check your earbud battery 100%. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair earbud in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.